Hello, everyone. Welcome to part 2 of how to build your website in CrwdShop. Let's just wait for another minute or so if people are joining, and then we'll get started.
Hi, Lace. Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Good to be back.
All right, let's see. Can you guys see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Perfect. All right, we'll get started in just a moment. All right, so let's get started. Today, we are going to add some more steps, and we'll go through the whole process of how to link all the buttons and linking the pages. Before we do that, let's just have a quick look on what we did. Obviously, I've done some touch-ups since, but this is what we have right now. This is going to be the home page or the first page that the customer will be landing on. And after hearing all the feedback and webinar with Eran and Heidi, we're going to, for this website, we're going to have 3 products that we think go well together. And yeah, this is what we have right now. That's the first product. This is the second one, the Key Pro. And this is the third one. And some testimonials. Very simple. Second, let's see. Turn this off. Okay, so what we will do today is create a page for this one, for all products. This is not, I mean, this is not necessary, and even if you would build a website only with this, I think it's plenty and it's enough. But I'm going to show you how to do a page where you can have all products, and if the customer clicks buy on one of those, it will take you to a product detail page where all the information that's been put in Showcase is automatically uploaded there. So for now, we will go back to the builder, or actually let's add that step. So what you do is you click on add step here, then we will go to e-commerce and products detail page, single product page, or product list. We will choose product list as we will have all the products together, and we will select this template and we will call it all products. And then it shows up right there. So let's select that one and click edit page. And this is how it looks like right now. So we're gonna change all of this and make it look super clean and simple, because we don't need all of this stuff. So let's start cleaning it up. This first small section up here, we definitely do not need that one. So we'll just delete that. We are going to add our own top section, and we will go back to the home page and see if we can do the same or something similar. And I'll show you how to save that section and just upload it here. This is the product list. We can maybe write all products, and then if you want to write something here, you could. If not, you can remove that one. I think it's enough like that. The divider out of the. So we're going to have a total of 3 products. So we can remove this one. And instead of removing these individually, let's just see which row it's in and remove the entire row. Done. And I don't think we need to have more stuff here for now. You know, you can build here and put yeah, more information, products, whatever you like. But I think in this case, it's just a simple page where you have all your products. For now, it's 3, but maybe in the future you'll have 10, who knows? And from there, each product will take you to a specific details page. So let's remove all these sections that we don't need. I simply just select the section, click delete. And we don't need this one either, so let's remove that one. And we will clean this up also. And I think, you know, initially I did have the terms and conditions and refund, but I don't think we need any of that, since they said that CrwdPoint will be taking care of the chat and contact and all those things. So I don't think we need any of that, to be honest. If necessary, we will add that later. But for now, personally, I did not add it on any of my pages. I removed all that stuff. So this is what we have. Let's save it. And then we'll go back to the home page, look at the design, and try to make something similar on this page and see if we can save some stuff from here that we just upload here. So it saves us a lot of work and a lot of time. So let's go back to home. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, so this top section, if we select that one, everything within this section we can save. So we can just save this section and top section plus navigation bar and save it. Okay, section has been added, right? And then let's go down and see what we have in the bottom section. Okay, same here. Select this one, save, bottom section, save. And this makes it super easy. And you can use, if you have several pages and you want them to look the same or similar, this is a super easy way to save time. So now we can go back to all products. And simply add another section by clicking on this plus, or you can just go here and add section and then go to my layouts. Oh, okay, so this, or maybe no, this is what I saved last time, but let's use this one that we saved just now. And it will be uploaded here, which means that we can actually remove this. And we have the same one that we have on the home page. And go down, same thing here, add a section, bottom section, and then we have that. So we can just simply delete this one that we don't need, and half the job is done. Now we can go all products, and the text color we can change from here. Maybe we can add some shadow to make it look a little bit more neat. And then we can choose a background for this, or just keep it clean like that. But let's choose. Let me show you how to choose products now. This section, this element is called product, and this one you cannot add yourself here, because if we add an element, we only have CP product. So that's why I use that template, because it's a specific funnel from this one that takes you to the product detail page. That's why we're going to use this one. And if we click on it, we select it, and it says here, select a product. Now we have, okay, we're not going to be able to put all three of them, because we have these two, but epigenetic is still not added yet. So let's just do these two for now. We'll choose Pro, and you see it's automatically uploaded here. And here you can choose which detail page it goes to, but it won't show anything now until we actually create a details page. So we'll wait, and I'll show you how to do that, and then we can do how we link all these. For now, let's just clean it up, because we don't want this minus 45% or show the previous price. Simply select the element. On the left-hand side, we can go down and see all of these. We can hide the image, hide the title, hide the previous price. And then let's see if there's another. Okay, we go to advanced. Special tag text. No, we don't want that. And it's much cleaner. And obviously we can change the color of the button and all that stuff. So for example, here, let's choose something else. We can go to the second one, choose Elder Power, and do the same thing. And when the third product will be added, we can do the same. Now, all that is done. Yeah, let's save it. And let's go back and add another step. Product details page. Let's choose that one. Select template. And we'll simply call it product page. And then you have it over there. So we select this one, and we'll have to go and mark as details page. Are you sure? Yes. Let's go to the builder. So the same thing here. We're gonna change this, but this is the product details. This element, you can't change much here. I mean, you can add and remove some things. I'll show you how to do that. Maybe change a little bit on the design, but this will be a short description of a product. It will only be visible when the customer clicks on a certain product, comes to this page. So you don't have to change any text. This will be the long description. These are all important. This information will be important from the showcase. So for now, let's just clean this up by going here and look at these. This one, for example, the description, obviously we want that. This one is nice, we can keep that. maybe not that one. You save, no. All right, let's go to advanced. The stars, I don't know if someone wants to keep it or not. Let's just clean it up. Yeah, this is that one. We don't want that either. Maybe we'll keep that one. Clean this up. All right, that's it. Now the rest is just adding, let's see. Let's remove this top section. Let's add our top that we want to use. Delete that. And I don't think we will need this row. Let's delete that because here we will have the product title either way. And you know, on my page, I actually just checked on each and every product if they had 14 days or 30 days, or obviously we won't be having this one for now. And instead of deleting it, what you can do is you can select this column and you can name it shipping worldwide. And then what you can do is go to manage. Oh, no, okay, that's at the actual section. Row, manage. No, not that one. 1 second. Here, managed columns. And see this one, because we named it, it appears here. We can just press on that I and it's not visible, but it's still there. For example, in the future, when we go live and it's international, and maybe we do have worldwide shipping, you don't need to look for it and add it again. If you like it, you can just go back and it shows up again. So that's another thing that you can use. Okay, so let's do the bottom section. That one. And maybe we can use the same background for the whole page. We can go to select the section first, background image. Let's see, which one is it that we did use? I think it's this one. And obviously it will be very tough to read this if we keep it like that. So let's add some opacity, see if it helps. Maybe half fade. Yeah, I think that's okay. Same thing here. Either we keep it like that or we can, yeah, I don't know. Let's just keep it like that for now and we'll see. So we save this page. And let's go back to all products. And then let's select this one. And we have Pro regular here. And here, product details page. Now it shows up here, the one that we added. So let's select that. And we can, this one, success redirect, is like if a purchase is made, that page will be shown. And I actually created a thank you page. I don't know if it's going to work. Hopefully it will, but we can create a thank you page as well. So when the customer clicks on this one, ends up on the details page, and then decides to buy the product, they will be redirected to the thank you page. And this is only for the people that actually click all products and they go here and they want to read more. So it's just another way. It's not the only way. Obviously, on the homepage, people can buy the product directly, but this is just another way to be able to have a little bit more information about each and every product if the customer wants, instead of just filling everything on the home page. I don't know if it's good or bad, but it's just a way to show you that you have that option as well. So let's do the same thing here. And you can have the same details page if it works, or you can create two detailed pages with different backgrounds, one for KeyPro, for example, one for Elder Power. But for now, let's just use the same one. Now we click Save. And then let's, okay, 1 second. Let's preview this one. This is how it looks right now. And if I press Buy Now, let's see if it works. We land on this page and you see automatically all the pictures, everything that was uploaded on Showcase is shown here. If we go back and try this one, then it's Elder Power. You see? And then if they buy now, the same pop-up will show up here as on the homepage. So that's how you link those together. Now let's go back to home. Let's go to the navigation bar and just double check all of these. So home, scroll to section, first product, that's if you press home, but for now we actually want go to home, go to step. You can go to website URL, open pop-up, or scroll to section. We're going to choose go to step. To home, save changes. And for all products, we will choose to go to all products, save changes. About us, we did not create that page yet. We will do that today. Frequently asked questions. Let's see if we have. Okay, so we will add that here as well. Let's save it for now. Now for the frequently asked questions, I just put that link to CrwdPoint frequently asked questions. I don't know if that's the right thing to do or not, but I guess. So let's go and get that link. And we will put it in there as well. I don't know it by heart, so let's see if I go to the page. Frequently asked questions. This one. So we'll simply just copy this, go back here, go to website URL, paste, save changes. So only thing left is about us and a thank you page. Let's save after every thing that we change or add. All right. So let's go back. Let's add another step. And actually, okay. We can, if we want it to be somewhat similar, we can just use this one. We select it and we'll just clone this step. So we don't have to do all of this all over again. So let's clone it. And it will appear up here with the same name and something added after, some numbers. And we can simply click on settings and rename it to thank you. Let's do that one. rename. Okay. Then we can go and select this one, go to the builder.
Do you want to unselect it as a details page?
Yes, absolutely correct. And now I'm just going to clean up here and remove, for example, this row, remove this section, remove this one as well. And then we have headline maybe, and some text. And here we just write maybe thank you and for purchase and for supporting a small business. Let's just make this look a little bit cleaner. And I usually just do something like that. And we can add some shadow. We can make this a little bit larger, maybe. And we can create some space between these by scrolling down and go to margin bottom. And look, it says desktop. So whatever you do here, you should do on the mobile, and then we'll adjust the mobile in the end. So for now, maybe something like that. And so, yeah, and you can, play around with this and change the font and whatever you like. And for example, something like that looks a little bit cleaner. And these two, we want them to be together, like this is over here. So what we do is we select this section and we go down and make sure the image option is on parallax. For some reason, I don't know why this is not working. Let's try again. 1 second. Okay. That's so weird. Okay, let's try something. Let's add a new section. Sometimes, I don't know, for some reason, when we upload from here, it's not working properly. So let's try like this. Let's select the same one. See, now it's working. It's weird, I don't know why. Half fade. It all looks clean. We can add one row here on the new section we did, and then simply drag this one over, and then we can delete this section, and it's done. See? Let's save. And now when we go back to all products and go back to the to one of the products, scroll down, and here, let's see. Okay. It's because we have to unmark as detail page. And now we can go back to all products, to the builder. Go down. And there you have it. Thank you. Okay, do the same for this one. and then save. All right, let's preview this. Now, I noticed there is an issue here. So, you know, when we click the button that says buy now, it takes you here, all good. If we go back, sometimes when we click the actual picture, this won't work once the page goes live. So what I did to not fix it, but to work my way around that is by selecting this one and then hide the image and simply add the image manually and place it, move it up, place it here. And I place the image and now we'll just go down to redirect action, none. So they can only click on this button here that says buy now and it will work. I don't know why. It's because I think, I don't know. I don't know if we're supposed to use this. I don't know, because when I found this step and told Aaron, they had to go in and change some codes to make this work. So I don't know if it has to do with that, but this worked for me. So we'll do the same here, hide the image, and we will add it manually, like so. None. So let's go back to this one, go to image, and we can go to product images here and scroll down, and they are right there. Let's choose this one. And let's do the same for phone. And now save. Let's preview. See, now you cannot click, only here. And if you like that effect, we can add it. I'll show you how. We can click on the image, go to advanced, go down to image effects. No, sorry, to image animations, and click on elevate, hover. Oh, no, it's not that one. It is grow. It's not as nice as that one, but perhaps, no, I don't know. Well, this is what they have here that you can, if you would like to add, see, you can do like that maybe. Looks a little bit more clean. Then that's huge. I don't know why it's like that. Yeah, or you add no, but that's where you do that. Okay, so we're done with this. Let's go back, check what else we have to do. Oh yeah, we have to do all of this, set this up, the navigation. And I should have done that in the beginning and then copy this section and save it and upload it. Then I won't have to do it one by one, but let's do it for now, just to show you guys. Go to step, all products, save, frequently asked questions, save. Now let's save it and just see if it works. Actually, I don't know if I did the home. Yeah. Go to step, home, save again. Sorry about that. Okay, preview. Make sure everything works. Home. Okay, nice. All products. Working. Frequently asked. Okay, working. Okay, nice. Good. Now we go back to the builder. Go to the home page. And let's link all the buttons if we did not do that. I don't remember if we did that last time, but For this one, maybe we wanted to, when you click that, to scroll down to the first product. So what we do is we want to scroll down to this section. So we will name this section first product. And then we'll select that button, go to the left-hand side, scroll all the way down to the options, button options, scroll, not to element, where is it? Yeah, first product, see? That when we click this one, we will end up here. Now this one, obviously we cannot connect this product yet because it's not uploaded in the system, but once it's in there, we'll just add that. We can go to same thing with this one, but let's do CrwdShop because that one we have. See, it's a CP product button. Let's press it and select the product. See, it's already selected. It's perfect. Let's go down to Elder Power. Select that. And okay, that's fine. Let's save. And now we can add the last page, which is about us. Again, I don't think it's a must have, but maybe it's a nice touch. And you can write whatever you want there. You know, let me show you. Either you can just, it depends if you do this. I mean, if you use several pages, maybe you can have about us. If not, if everything is on one page, the about us section will probably be about that product. You know, if you have one website with one product or maybe two and a lot of focus on one of them, I saw that Aaron and his team used the about us to scroll down to a section where it says about us, and it's actually the people behind the product itself or similar. But like this, I chose to use about us, about me personally, you know, with CrwdPoint and human identity and, you know, stuff like that. So it's all up to you guys, but let me show you just how to do that. It's exactly the same process as all the others. We will simply add a step, call it about us, write whatever we want, design it however we want, and then go to the navigation bar and go to step about us, and that's it. But let's see if we want to do something similar like that one. Let's just clone this step. And rename it to us. Let's go to the builder. And yeah, here you can just write your text and you can add whatever image you would like in the back. And it's just a very simple page. So let's just save this for now. I did not prepare any text for this one at the moment. And let's set this up as well. Okay, save. And one last thing, I will just go through all the pages and make sure everything is linked and set up properly. Then we can preview everything. So I think we need to add about us here. Save. Everything else is done.
Now, since the menu is on multiple pages, do you have to update the menu multiple times?
No, you know, that's the mistake I made. If I would have done that first and then saved the actual section, then once you upload that section, it's already with all the changes you made first time. But since I did not do that, I will have to go and do it manually now. So, but I still do that even if I just, you know, to make sure everything works, check all the buttons, check all of that stuff, just to be 100% that it's working. And then I preview and I go through all the pages and and click on everything just to make sure it's working. Okay, I think that one is already set up. Yep. Save. Okay. Let's go to this one. Okay, and then we save. Okay, well, last thing. So I think we did it, but let's just double check. Okay, cool. Nice. All right, let's try this one. Good. Good. Nice. All products. Same thing here. Okay. Okay, good. Back to all products. Nice. Working. Okay, excellent. About us. People ask questions. Okay. Yeah, that's about it. I guess this is how we planned on building this particular website. I guess we'll go to, if you guys have some questions or if you want me to show you specific step or something like that. Let me just check the chat here. All right, let's see. Hello, everyone. Hello. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. What URL is putting in every step? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's the URL for it's not for every step. It's just for the frequently asked questions one, and then I'm using that one with km.crowdpointtech.com. So if you guys have any questions, if you want me to show you something specific, yeah, please go ahead and ask them.
Hello, hi
Hello.
Lee.
Hello.
Sorry, I still don't get that step with the URL.
Okay. All right.
Can you explain it a bit more, please?
Yeah, no problem. So
you.
the navigation bar is this one here, as you can see. If we select that one, on the left-hand side, if we scroll down, it says menu items, which is the ones that we chose to put here. In this case, it's home, all products, about us, frequently asked questions. And we can choose what happens when you click those. So for the home, when they click home, we want them to end up on the home page, which means that if we go to home here on menu items on the left-hand side and we click this one, we can edit that. We can configure. So we see the title says home and the link says go to step, and the funnel step is the home page. Now for the frequently asked questions, I chose to put a URL which goes to CrwdPoint Tech, to their website, where they do have frequently asked questions, and you can, they can search whatever they want there. I don't know if this is the correct one to put there or not, but in order to do that, you will choose on the link step, you will choose go to website URL, not go to step.
Oh, I see.
Yes, because here you can choose to go to website URL. You can open a pop-up, or you can go to the step, or actually scroll down to a section.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah, so that's what we did different for that one. All the other ones, we chose go to step.
Oh, I see. Yeah. That was going to be my next question. Do you have to do it for every button?
Yes.
But yeah.
Yes, because
that makes sense now.
Yeah, you have that. Like you can choose exactly whatever you want to happen to each and every click. So if they want to click this one, you have to tell that button where you want it to take you. Or if you click on home, you want to scroll down, or you want to go to a step. So you have to choose and assign that for each and every button, and for the menu items as well. And you can actually do that for a picture as well. For example, this one, if we choose this image and we scroll down here, it says redirect action. In this case, we choose none, or we can actually go to a step, and we can go to, I don't know, all products or whatever we want. So that's also an option that you can use.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. That's a lot of things I need to learn.
Yeah, I mean, just have fun with it. It's I think even with the stuff that I showed you guys, it's still so much more that we can do. But
yeah. It looks like there's loads. Yeah, thanks very much, Lee.
Yes, you're very welcome.
First, deep thanks first, and
So if anyone else has any other questions?
I noticed the URL that you're using to do this editing is the app Pro Market Maker IO.
Yeah.
Did you start out with a crowd?
Yeah, it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. It's just I'm one of the early guys that registered when it was Pro Market Maker. But you see, if we go back here, it says CrwdShop. See? But the URL works on both CrwdShop and Pro. It's exactly the same. You end up in the same place. Yeah. All right, guys. So if you have any other questions, you can feel free to ask them. If you guys are happy with this, we will end the Zoom here. And I really hope that this helps you to be able to, you know, build your own website, or at least know how to enter and tweak the one you have, or you can add stuff and remove stuff later down, further down the road.
This is Maria. Thank you
Hello.
so much.
Yes.
I've learned a lot just watching.
You're very welcome.
And thank you for all your help, not just with me, but with everybody else.
Yeah, my pleasure.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm just glad that I can help.
Yes, thank you, Leith.
Yes, you're welcome. Thank you. All right, guys, then we'll just end the Zoom right here. This is all recorded, so I will post the link in the groups, and you guys can go back and check and pause and you know, have fun with the Market Maker or CrwdShop. All right, so take good care of yourselves, and talk to you another time.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.